Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. In today's video, we're going to pick up with part 2 of my collective fall home decor haul. If you haven't seen part 1, please pause this video right now, go back and watch part 1. I will link it above or in the description box. If you did see part 1, let's go ahead and pick up with part 2 starting right now. Okay, you guys, so the last store that I have to show you where I bought decor from is the Dollar Tree. So, start with this bag here. Dollar Tree has some really cute fall signs out. So I picked this one up, and this one says pumpkin spice and everything nice. How cute is that? And it does have a little twine hanger right here. And then this one says thankful, grateful, and truly blessed. So these I'm going to use in my kitchen, and I do plan to show you how I use these. Okay, so then I picked up more pumpkins. I think I'm done with pumpkins for now, so I think I'm good on that. I do have a whole pumpkin collection. If you're interested in seeing my pumpkin collection, leave a comment down below, and I kind of want to record that. I think it's quite interesting. I have quite a pumpkin collection, but yeah, I picked up these pumpkins because, you know, I'm doing the whole turquoise color here. So I picked these up. They are the ceramic pumpkins from Dollar Tree. And I picked up some of this glitter vase filler. So it says there's 110 pieces in here. And they're just like little gold and brown little foam balls basically, but I think this would be cute vase filler or bowl filler, things like that. So that's what I plan to use that for. And let's see, I picked up these pumpkin clips. They're just little white pumpkins, and they have like little spots on them, but they are clips. So on the back you can see it has like a little alligator clip. So I plan to use these possibly in like a floral arrangement. I did pick up some fall floral from Dollar Tree. So I picked up 2 of these, and these are called, just called berries. But they're in this beautiful like mustard yellow color. How gorgeous is that? It also has like some olive green and like a burnt orange color in there. So I picked up 2 of those. I think those would be beautiful to add to a fall floral arrangement. And then I picked up one of these stems, and these are called cattails or cattails or something like that. So I picked up the burnt orange color, and then I picked up this yellow color as well. And then I just picked up this stem of dahlias. You can see that right there. Okay, and then I picked up this beware sign. And yeah, it just says beware. And it's a Halloween sign. So you see it's black, and it has spider webs and a spider on it. I'm not going to be using this side because you guys know I don't really decorate for Halloween. But I'm going to use it on the back. I really just wanted this piece of wood. So I'm actually going to paint this and put my own little words or saying on the back of this. So I think I'm gonna paint it maybe white and then put some lettering on it, or maybe some type of, I don't know, it'll be a DIY. You'll probably see it during the fall time while I'm still decorating my house. So yeah, stay tuned for fall DIYs. Okay, you guys, so I told you I had a lot of stuff. So if you're still watching, comment pumpkin down below. Okay, so you guys, I know if you're into Dollar Tree and fall and pumpkins and all that kind of stuff like I am, you've probably already seen people talk about the velvet pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. Comment down below, let me know if you're obsessed with them like I am. I have gone to every Dollar Tree in my area multiple times looking for these velvet covered pumpkins, and I have not been able to find them. And everybody else online has been able to find them at their store. So randomly today, as I was leaving TJ Maxx, there's a Dollar Tree at the end of the same shopping plaza. So I was like, let me stop in Dollar Tree. I need to get a few things anyway. And as I walked in, the guy was opening up boxes. He was opening up stock. And I saw a box sitting there on the cart. And the picture was of the velvet pumpkins. And I was like, finally, my store got them. So I didn't want to bother him, but I didn't want to like leave the store, have to come back, and then they're sold out and I missed it again. So I just kindly asked him, excuse me, would you mind opening this box? I've been looking for these forever. And he was kind enough to open up the box for me, and he said, here you go, have at it. So I did. So I found the velvet pumpkins that I have been eyeballing for months, and well, for like a month. And so yeah, so I was able to pick up the exact ones that I wanted. I was the first person to look into the box. And so I got 3 of these because, you know, that's my color scheme. And so I picked up 3 of these, and look how large these are. I was surprised at the size of these because look how much larger it is than this pumpkin. So yeah, I got 3 of this color. They also have them in white, and so I got 3 of the white ones. And I did go ahead and decide to pick up 2 of the orange. It's a beautiful orange color. Even though I had said I'm not gonna do orange in my color scheme, I may put a few pops of orange in my kitchen. Definitely not in my living room, but because my living room is going to be this color with silver, and I'll probably mix in some of these white pumpkins in the living room. But yeah, so I did go ahead and pick up 2 of the orange velvet pumpkins just in case I decide to put a little bit of orange in my kitchen. So you guys, I was so excited to find these pumpkins. Now, okay, I picked up the turquoise, the white, and the orange, but they also have a hunter green color, and they have a, what would you call it, like a taupe color, like a light brown, a light tan kind of color. So they have other colors than these. We're gonna move right along. The next thing I picked up from Dollar Tree are these little tea light candles, and they are the flameless tea light candles, and I got these to go in my crystal pumpkins. I did pick up batteries. And then the next thing I picked up from Dollar Tree is just a lot of DIY items. I do plan to DIY a lot of fall decor as well. So I picked up some of these candlesticks. You guys, these candlesticks are like OGs at the Dollar Tree. Like, they have had these forever. So I picked up 3 of these. I'm not gonna pull them all out. They're all wrapped in paper. But I did pick up 3 of these, and you will see that DIY on my channel. I picked up some of this bling diamond wrap. It's called adhesive diamond wrap, and this is in a nice gold, yellow gold color. And so this is going to be part of an upcoming DIY as well. And I picked up some of these, they call them Chanel stems or cure pipes. I call them pipe cleaners, you know, the little bendy things. So I picked these up for DIYs. I picked up some glitter. This is loose glitter, And it just comes in all these beautiful colors. It's 6 bags of glitter. You get 2 bags of the gold. And then this is like an orange color. This is like a reddish orange. And this is like a bronzy color. And then this is like a chocolate brown color. Perfect fall colors. So I picked these up because I think I'm going to change the stems on these velvet pumpkins. These you can like pop off and pop them back in. So I think I'm going to paint the stem and then maybe sprinkle a little bit of like glitter on the top of them. I think that would be cute just to kind of, you know, jazz it up a little bit. And then I picked up these little containers here that have lids on them because I'll need something to store the rest of the glitter in once I open it. So because these little bags, once you open it, there's not like a Ziploc seal on it, so I can store the glitter in here. The next thing I picked up are these trays. These are some really nice like serving trays is what they're called, and they're pretty heavy. So I picked these up in the party aisle, and it just looks like this. It does have a bit of a design, if you can see that there. Has a bit of a design on it. I got 2 of these. These are going to be part of a DIY. Hopefully that comes out as planned, and I will have that for you guys on my channel because that's going to be part of my fall decor. We're almost done here, you guys. I did pick up 2 of these willow wreaths, and these are like the smaller versions of these. I've bought these willow wreaths at Dollar Tree before, and just whenever you can find them, pick them up. They're a steal if you can find them at Dollar Tree. I love these things. So these are gonna be used as, I believe, part of my tablescape for my fall table. I'm still getting images and inspiration on how I want to decorate my table for fall this year. So I went ahead and picked them up because I didn't want them to sell out and then I missed it. I picked up 2 of these easels. So I will be using these in my fall decorating as well. I picked up 3 of these round mirrors, and these are going to be part of a DIY. Now, this isn't fall DIY materials, but for a future DIY, just for my own decorating in my living room, I have an idea. I just need to find more of these. The store only had 3, so I'm gonna need like 3 more to complete the DIY. Just a random thing I picked up. This is a plate cover. So this goes in your microwave, and it's you just keep it in your microwave, like just chilling, you know, on the little rotating plate in your microwave. But when you go to put your plate in the microwave to warm up your food, you put this on top of your food. How many people, be honest, how many of y'all just use a paper towel to cover your food in the microwave? So this replaces that. You don't have to waste a whole paper towel. You just use this to cover your food, and all of the splatter that goes on will go in here. It has little vents in it here, so it has little holes going around. So it's, you know, gonna allow steam to come through. And then when you're done, you can just, you know, if there's anything in there, just rinse it out, put it back in the microwave, and it's there for the next person to use or the next time that you use the microwave. And it just keeps your microwave clean. Okay, you guys, and so the last thing that I want to show you, I'm actually quite excited about, is the fall candy. So, picked up a bag of candy corn. I love candy corn. I'm so excited when they put candy corn out. But I also picked up another bag of candy corn, and this is the Brock's brand, which is a name brand, and it's called Donut Shop Candy Corn. It has strawberry glaze, chocolate glaze, and original glaze flavors, so I'm excited to try that. More Brock's candy corn, and this is pie favorites. You get apple pie and pumpkin pie. And the last one I picked up is some of the pumpkin spice taffy. So it's like taffy candy, but it's pumpkin spice flavored. Okay, you guys, so that's going to be it for my, what am I calling this? My collective fall home decor haul. I have picked up quite a few items. I am like looking at everything now and I'm like, I have to go decorate and do all this stuff now. But yeah, I hope you guys got some fall inspiration, some decorating inspiration. I'm so excited for fall. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite item from the haul today. Also, let me know, when do you decorate? Like, how soon do you put out your fall decor? Do you wait until, you know, after Labor Day? Do you do it before Labor Day? Do you wait until, I don't know, Halloween? Like, let me know when you decide to put out your fall decor. Also, I'm filming in a different setup. I'm actually in my bedroom, and I just thought I would sit here in front of the window today, and I'm just kind of trying something different. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.